Vite, pronounced as Vite, is a modern build tool for web development. It's designed to make developing with frameworks like React, Vue, or even vanilla JavaScript faster and easier. How is Vite different from other tools? Super fast development. Unlike traditional bundlers like Webpack, which bundle your entire app upfront, Vite only bundles the parts of your app you are currently working on. This means instant reloading when you make changes, making it feel super fast while developing. Uses native browser features. During development, Vite uses native ES modules supported by modern browsers. This allows you to avoid slow bundling and instead load JavaScript files as needed. Built-in optimization. When you're ready to deploy your app, Vite will bundle and optimize everything automatically, ensuring it's fast for production as well. Supports multiple frameworks. Vite works not just for React, but also for other popular frameworks like Vue, Svelte, and vanilla JavaScript. Easy to set up. It comes with zero configuration by default. Just install it, run the project, and you're good to go. Why use Vite? Faster development experience due to instant updates. Modern build system using new browser features. Smaller and more efficient builds for production. Works well with popular frameworks and easy to set up. In a nutshell, Vite makes your development experience faster with instant feedback while writing code, and then bundles everything efficiently for production.